I swear, when I'm doing it like this, it looks like I'm reaching in to give you a hug. Oh, I hate you. I wish I could smack you in the face. You didn't expect something soft and gentle, did you? That's for the bedroom. Privacy. Well, it's story time. Let's try to have a little more fun than we had earlier, shall we? Maybe you can educate some of the dummies. This isn't for the people who, this isn't for the nice people. That isn't for the nice people. This is for everybody. The smart-ass comments are for the turds who deserve it. We're going to learn about chemical bonds today. Put your thinking caps on. Like I said, learning new shit sometimes can hurt. You might need some protection. Especially if you're dumb. Chemical bonds join together two or more atoms to form compounds such as water, salt, or oil. Atoms combine in order to form more stable structures of electrons. Tiny negatively charged particles that encircle the center of the atom, gang up on it. Give it to it, kid. In a stable compound, the total energy of the compound is lower than the energy of the individual atoms. There are three basic types of chemical bonds: covalent bonds, ionic bonds, and metallic bonds. Emphasis on certain words for certain reasons, because I like to make little subtle points. In covalent bonds, atoms share one or more pairs of electrons. There are single bonds sharing only one pair of electrons, double bonds sharing two pairs, triple bonds, and rarely quadruple bonds. But these tend to be explosively unstable. Usually that's what explosively means most of the time. Just saying. In general, covalent bonds tend to be the strongest and most stable chemical bonds, especially covalent bonds between nonmetals. There are two types of covalent bonds: nonpolar bonds and polar bonds. In nonpolar bonds, electrons are distributed evenly across the molecule. But in polar bonds, the electrons tend to gather in one end of the molecule. This creates negative and positive poles. Who doesn't like poles? Right, ladies? Well, at least you fun ladies, you know what poles are good for. I mean, dancing ones, calm the fuck down. I like dancing poles, man. That shit's nice. I like that whenever I animate motherfucking whatever. This creates positive and negative poles on the molecule. The oppositely charged ends become attracted to each other, structurally binding molecules together as in ice and water. If you want to learn more, you're going to have to do some shit yourself. It's good to think for yourself. You should once in a while. And not just do what somebody tells you to do. Or believe what somebody tells you. Or what you find out, blah, blah, blah. Just saw a thing about that earlier on another video. Hey, what do you know? Coincidence. Ooh. Sounds like somebody fucking, doesn't it? Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah. Oh, what that? It's like teasing me. It's like a woman's fucking teasing me. Gives it to me and then takes it away. Gives it to me and takes it away. Well, everybody have a good night. Hope you learned something. And if you didn't, fucking whatever. Like I said before, whether you like it or not, you're going to get some educational shit, some culture, whatever you want to call it, you're going to get some, whether you fucking like it or not. Have a good one. Peace, everybody. And remember, I hate you with all of my heart.